God damn it. They didn't hit us.
It's the fucking Wagoneer, bitch!
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Moneykid, and I'm back with another video, and this is the... Where we at? Mesothelioma, Florida. And we're going to Rolling Loud. We on the way.
We in the old fuck, nigga.
Where we at?
Y'all nigga know what it is. We in the old fuck,
Yeah,
nigga.
we on the way.
Tell y'all some important ass shit. These niggas try to. Oh yeah, we finna get paid. But we got McDonald's told us, you want a large fry? I want the franchise.
The franchise.
I ain't say large fry, bitch. I said the franchise.
Oh shit, no cap. So boom, I'm gonna tell y'all what happened. We was sliding, boom. We came left Pensacola by 5. We grabbed the wagon now. Man, hey, that bitch so nice too. We sliding. We coming up. We 20 minutes away. Semi-truck driver fall asleep. Boom, whapped our ass. Now I'm out here limping. I done hit my head. I done fucked up my shoulder. My knee felt like it done popped out of place. I'm all fucked up. I can't even barely walk. So I'm just sitting here waiting on the Uber because we got to get somewhere. But yeah, the Rolling Loud first concert is today, and it ain't even looking too good. We out here. We out here. Where you at, Ning? Where you at? Oh, there it is. There he is. Where we at? This Hibbit. We at Hibbit.
Man. We finna go get us a little smaller, slight little Rolling Loud fit. You know what I'm saying? I got the merch on. Ain't got no chain on. I'm out here. But it is what it is.
It's early in the morning. All right, so boom. Look, this is the next day. Yesterday wasn't the best day. Yesterday we got our ass whacked by a semi-truck. And we had a 2026. Y'all seen it. And then we had to get that back. I'm gonna show you what we got now. Did we snap? We snapped, didn't it? Man, they ain't had nothing for us. So we ended up having to get a little bread. So now we got down, finna go in Hibbits and check some shit out. Yo, I just need to grab me something for today, cause it sound like it be hot out there, bitch, and niggas be falling out. So I ain't trying to fall out with nobody today. I'm gonna get back with you in just 1 minute. Look at Twin Face. He want this bitch so bad.
Bruh. And the only reason I'm not getting it is because we don't got room for this bitch in the car, bruh.
We ain't gonna back. That bit hard though.
If we would've had that,
check this out.
Bruh, this bitch is so clean, bruh.
Oh god, that ain't hardy.
Nigga, like, come on, motherfucker. I do not want to walk out the store without this motherfucker.
Get that bit in.
Bruh, if we would've went Wagoneer, bruh, oh God, I would've got this.
Nigga never to get all of these bitches.
Oh God.
Hey, how you doing?
You work here?
Yes, I do. How you doing?
I
Good.
This is DD's discount. Y'all might want to bargain with me on this.
Oh, child, please.
I don't need this, but I really want this.
I know that's right. That's why we look at stuff and then we budget.
She walked off from me like she didn't even think about budgeting.
Facts. Cause I mean,
That bitch said, "Oh boy, please."
This is DD's, right? It's already on a discount.
Facts.
Cause that bitch was $100.
Oh God. And he asked me how I look, like I'm finna take your ass to jail. Oh God, I look like I'm finna say license and registrations, please. We just shot a music video. My boy just shot his video. You feel me? And then it's the videographer right here.
We just made a movie.
We just made one. We just made a video. So, shit. What's up? Hey, what they say? Hold on, wait.
Fuck United Masters, nigga.
Fuck them.
I got you though, nigga.
Snap.
Oh God.
Oh.
The light turned on anything.
be able to hit them out.
You snap.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry
Hey,
with
what's
the
your name, bud?
Orlando.
Go ahead. Tell them what it is.
Yahya the Monkey, shot by Yaya. Y'all already know what's up.
Hey, man, y'all follow him.
My nigga Yaya in the cut. Nigga.
He is, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Let's go.
Oh, God.
Hey, so shit, we on the way to the goddamn entrance to Rolling Loud. We on the back of the cart and shit. Bruh got us right. You feel me?
Shit going on out here, bitch.
Facts. We out there bit turn. Shit. Hey. The first time for everything. This my first time doing this.
God,
I ain't did this before.
What the Rolling Loud hoes hitting on?
Where they at? Shit. So shit, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get in there bit to see what's going on. I'm just trying to keep y'all updated.
What the rest?
Hey, what club we at?
X.
What it's called?
X Experience.
Shit, we at this club called Experience. We just left Rolling Loud. That shit was alright, you know what I'm saying? Goddamn line longer than a bitch though, oh God. So,
This a pretty shit area with those
facts. Shit, we gotta try to find out how much it is to get in this bitch. I guess we're gonna pay that bitch no matter what though. They ain't tell us how much the tickets is. That bitch gonna be at least 100 plus, no cap. Oh God. So, shit, I'll let y'all know when we get in that bit what's going on. But shit, we in this bit waiting right now. And we in this bitch is supposed to be some niggas performing. What you said, Rob 49, who else?
Money Bad, yo, and Offset. That shit don't even sound right.
That shit don't even sound right. We've been in this bitch forever. Facts. So shit, we in this bitch right now, but I'm trying to see what's going on, cause it's a lot of commotion going on and niggas moving around.
Niggas mad. Niggas mad
Facts.
'cause they know they ain't coming. But it's some hoes in this bitch.
Yeah, it's some hoes in this
There's some
bitch.
hoes in this bitch, boy. Okay. I'm talking about everywhere.
Hoes everywhere. Hold on.
These hoes right here. Little kid in the bitch, right?
Hey, I know this bit was all over the place, but goddamn, shit, it's been a crazy night. It's been a crazy little weekend, man. From the beginning of this bit when we got whammed by that semi to, you feel me, out here with all these people, you feel me?
They back to back black trucks, right? 49 just put off a Rolls Royce. We spending right here by Maybachs and Renovans and everything. This shit really going on, bitch.
This shit really going on. We got down right here. Rob 49 just performed. You feel me? He turned this bit up.
We always be around some motion like this, though.
Yeah, you already know that bitch shit, but goddamn, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one right here. I'm gonna edit this bit, you feel me? And like I always say, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you can get all of the, you feel me, incoming notifications. And y'all keep this shit safe. This ain't no trucking vlog, but I'ma still say keep it in between the mayo mustard. You feel me? Keep the rubber side down and go on down, do that James Brown turnaround and get on back to the house, you feel me? Cause that's just in my blood. Hey, shit. But we finna end it bit right now. Y'all goddamn, I'ma catch y'all later. What you gotta say?
This shit really going on. What you talking about?
You feel me? Hey, I'ma catch y'all on the next one. Gang.
That bitch, you know I had to touch it. But play it safe, cause most these bitches out here good for nothing. A good percent of these little hoes, they only good for fucking.
Dropping the top on them anyway. I don't care too much if it's finna rain. We gon' ball like Major Payne. Self-made player, but I play no games. No, I can't play no games with you. Show me what you can.